Hello everyone, and welcome back. Sunday today. I'm going crazy being inside this house all the time. With this whole shutdown thing, you know, you have to stay in most of the time. But right up the road, it used to be Reno and Hope Seafood. They sold, and now it's called the Duck Roost Seafood in Boudin. And I think I'm going to go up there and get some crawfish, potatoes and corn. And then I'd like to try their boudin. I might get boudin balls, I'm not sure. Just anything to get out of the house, even if it's only a mile or so away. I ran out of cleaner with bleach, so I opened it up and I dumped about half bleach and half water in that thing. So it should kill just about any germs that are on the table. Well, I just got back from the Duck Roost. See how their crawfish are. The corn has some heat to it. Not too much, but definitely has some heat, so that's good. Potatoes are done awesome. They're pretty good. I've had better, but they also, you know, every batch is different. I think next time I get them, I'm going to go to Crawfish Express in St. Amant. Theirs is just a drive-through to get them, because I really like theirs, and then I can kind of compare them. Look at that big one. There's also a lot of grass in here, so they weren't cleaned really good. But they're cooked perfectly. Well, after eating just one plateful so far, I'm pretty disappointed. I mean, there's some flavor there, but not a real strong crab boil taste, and there's an underlying taste there too, but look at this. This is just from that one plate. I've still got pounds to go. That's how much grass and grass with the roots still attached to them was in just those handfuls. So they're not cleaned well at all, and they were gritty. Yeah, I don't know that I'll go back there. Everyone is gritty. But it's boiled crawfish, so I'm happy about that. Well, I got most of it all eaten. I don't know that I'll go back there. I really don't. We were very dirty. But it was boiled crawfish, and it's been a long time since I had any, so I was happy. Well, they closed down the whole state starting tomorrow. So lumber yards are going to be closed and everything, so I will not be able to continue on this project right now like I had planned to. Well, tonight I'm just editing the Louisiana House, the first few days video. I want to get this done. Internet went out for about a day and a half, and they came back out today and they hooked it up. So I have super fast internet here, and I want to get this uploaded before everything shuts down and I have to possibly drive back up to Minnesota.
Here's a question you shouldn't be able to.
Well, they are officially shutting the state down tonight at 5 o'clock. So I have no way to get the tapers in here at the end of this week like they were going to do. So tomorrow morning early, I'm heading back to Minnesota. I'm very happy that I have been in almost no contact with people since I got here. But no reason for me to stick around. They're going to do it until April 12th at least, and I would have absolutely nothing to do here. So I will go back up there, and I have some jobs that I can do, and at least I'll be at the farmhouse. So I cooked up this ham this morning, this little ham and some potatoes for today, and then I'm going to bag the rest, and I can eat some of that on my drive back up to Minnesota. Time for lunch. Okay guys, well tonight I'm just loading stuff up in the truck for my departure tomorrow. Right now I'm doing dishes, and then I'm going to take a shower yet tonight. Just get everything ready to go, and then in the morning I can shut all the water down, open up the pipes to drain it down, and then put the frozen food in the cooler and stuff, and then get out of here before it's light out. Okay everyone, well, I took a shower, shaved. I still have to shut down the water heater now. I gotta remember to do that. And I'm just editing this video for As the Rooster Crows. Melissa uploaded all of her video clips to our Dropbox, and then I downloaded it onto the computer here. And so I can get this video edited tonight, hopefully, and then get it uploaded quick when we have the fast internet. So, like usual, I have Star Trek going on in the background and editing videos. Okay, everyone. Well, I got this video edited, and now it's rendering. How long is this one? 12 minutes and 18 seconds, so I'll have to watch it to make sure I didn't have any mistakes, and then I'll get it uploaded yet tonight. Okay everyone, it's just about 11 o'clock. I'm heading to bed. Tomorrow morning we'll head for Minnesota. Well, thanks a lot for watching everybody. It's about 5:30 in the morning right now. Getting the last few things put out in my truck, and I'm heading north. I'll see you guys on the next video.